She didn't want to go. Ada checked her phone and sighed. I don't want to go on this date, she whispered. But she'd already said yes. And now it was too late to cancel. Or was it? The problem. Ada worked in a small office in Abuja. 1 week ago, her coworker James asked her out. Would you like to have dinner with me? He said. Ada felt uncomfortable, but she smiled politely. Okay, she said, even though her heart said no. Now the date was tonight. Ada sat on her bed and thought, why did I say yes? Asking for advice. Ada called her best friend Ngozi. Ngozi, I made a mistake, Ada said. What happened? Ngozi asked. I said yes to a date, but I don't like him, Ada explained. Ngozi laughed softly. That happens. So what will you do? I don't know. I feel nervous, Ada said. Ngozi paused, then said, okay, if you must go, then prepare yourself. Prepare how? Ada asked. The plan. Ngozi spoke slowly so Ada could understand. First, be clear in your mind, she said. This is just a meeting, not a relationship. Ada nodded. Second, choose a simple place, Ngozi continued. Not too private. Like a cafe? Ada asked. Exactly, Ngozi said. Third, set a time limit. Tell him you are busy later. Ada smiled a little. That sounds smart, she said. And last, Ngozi added, be honest, but kind. Getting ready. Ada stood in front of her mirror. She chose simple clothes. Not too fancy. Not too casual. I don't want to send the wrong message, she said. She practiced speaking. Thank you, but I don't feel a connection, she said it again. I think we are different. Her voice was soft but clear. Ada took a deep breath. I can do this, she said. The date begins. At 6 p.m., Ada arrived at a small cafe. James was already there. Hi, Ada, he said, smiling widely. Hi, James, she replied politely. They sat down. James talked a lot. He talked about his job, his car, his plans. Ada listened, but she did not feel comfortable. She looked at the clock. The awkward moment. After some time, James leaned forward. I really like you, he said. Ada felt her heart beat faster. This was the moment. She remembered Ngozi's advice. Be honest. Be kind. Ada smiled gently. Thank you, James, she said. You are nice, but I don't feel the same way. James looked surprised. Oh, he said quietly. Staying calm. The table became quiet. Ada stayed calm. I respect you, she continued, but I don't want to start a relationship. James nodded slowly. I understand, he said. Ada felt relief. She checked the time. I have another plan tonight, she added politely. This was her time limit. The exit. They stood up. Thank you for understanding, Ada replied. They walked to the door. Outside, Ada felt fresh air on her face. She smiled. I did it, she said softly. At the beginning, Ada felt stuck. She thought it was too late to cancel the unwanted date. But in the end, she learned something important. Preparing your mind, setting clear limits, and speaking honestly can turn a difficult situation into a simple one. The date was not a disaster. It became a lesson. Do you want to learn English with simple real-life stories like this? Subscribe now to English Through African Stories. Join our WhatsApp group to practice daily. Link in bio and description. Learn English. Speak with confidence. One story at a time. Vocabulary list. Uncomfortable. Feeling not relaxed or not at ease. Politely, while in a kind and respectful way, prepare to get ready for something. Honest, telling the truth. Limit, a point where something stops. Connection, a feeling of understanding or liking someone. Relief, a feeling of comfort after stress or worry.